Rasha. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to download Python. So, click on your navigation bar, search python.org. After you search python.org, you press enter. After you press enter, the Python's official website will be launched in front of you. After you open the website, click on downloads. After you click on downloads, it will say download the latest version for Windows. So it is Python 3.10.0. It's the latest version of Python. So you click on download Python 3.10.0. After you click, a pop-out will appear down and then it will show where to download Python. So I'll save it in a registration folder where it says me to save. It will take around 5 minutes to download. Depends on how good your internet speed is. I'll meet you when it's completely downloaded. Okay, guys, so 3 seconds are left for it to completely download it. So, guys, now you click here and open when done. So, now the way an pop out will appear saying install Python 3.10.0 64-bit. You can install in two ways: install now as the pre recommendation, or you can customize your installation. But before you click any of those, you need to add Python to part. You need to click this checkbox called add Python to part. Then you click on customization install. You select all these options and you click on next. After you click on next, you need to click on install for all users. And after you click on install for all users, it will automatically click pre-compiled standard library. So now what we just have to do is click on this little button called install and it will install Python for you. So let's see. So guys, it takes a second to install Python. Sometimes it can take up to a minute or sometimes it can just take a few seconds. So as you see, Python is also installing pip. So pip is a very powerful Python module. So you need to install that also. And it's already getting installed because we clicked all those check marks when we installed Python. So if the pip is not working in your system, then I will show you how to download pip in the next video. So in today's video, what we are going to do, you know. So now they say setup was successful. Okay. So now you click on close, you open it in, it will show Python 3.10 manual 64-bit. So it should show like this. Then click on this IDLE. After you click on this IDLE, it will run your first Python program. So after this, you write print. So small p print in brackets, right, in inverted comma, hello world, or you can write anything. Then close the inverted comma and close the bracket. And when you enter, it will say hello world. So your first Python program is running well and fine. To see if Python is successfully installed in your computer, what you have to do, search your CMD and enter and right here Python. It should say Python 3.10.0. Here you can see it's saying Python 3.10.0. That means the Python is successfully installed in your computer. So that's all for today's video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.